Hello everyone. Welcome back to ProMind classes. Hope you all are doing well. Today, I'm going to recite a very beautiful poetry, Nature is What We See by Emily Dickinson. Nature is what we see. The hill, the afternoon, squirrel eclipse the bumblebee. Nah, nature is heaven. Nature is what we hear. The bobolink, the sea, thunder, the cricket. Nah, nature is harmony. Nature is what we know, yet have no art to say. So important our wisdom is to her simplicity. In the poem, the reader can sense her love and appreciation of nature. The theme of the poem is nature's simplicity, yet her poem suggests that nature is everything but simple. It's mysterious, magnificent, and inexpressible, but still simple. The poet wants to read to emphasize on the words and understand the importance of the words in the sentence and context. This is the one of the way how poet could help the readers to understand the expression of the poet. So, here we have completed this beautiful poetry on nature, which teaches us that simplicity is the best. Thank you. Hope that you like this video. Do share this video and please do subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot for all your support. Thank you so much for your precious time as well. Stay tuned with ProMind.